Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Toca Boca application on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will need to install an Android emulator on your PC. In order to do this, open up your web browser first, and then in the address bar, type in bluestacks.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the BlueStacks website, from which you can click on the download button to download the BlueStacks installer. After it is downloaded, go ahead and open it up and click through the next buttons to install the BlueStacks emulator on your system. Once it is installed, go ahead and open it up to gain access to your Android home screen. From here, click on System Apps and then click on Play Store and use your Google account to log in. After logging in, just tap on the search button and then search for the Toca Boca application. Once you find the Toca Boca World app, you can tap on the install button and wait for the installation to complete. After the installation is done, you will see the play button and a shortcut will also be created on your desktop. You can directly double click on this in order to open up the application on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Toca Boca application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.